to episode 6. Starting this off by going to pick up a little mini lathe. Hopefully it's all good. We shall see. Here's the lathe. Needs a bit of cleaning up and oiling and so on. I think I need a new belt as well, but overall it's not bad. Fitted the new drive gear here and the new belt. That belt and that gear was absolutely screwed, so that's all good. I also had to fit a new motor mount because I was missing one. That's all good. I'm just going to have to put all this back together and then test it out. So I haven't put all the casings on yet, but it's all back together. I'm a little bit worried because I've got this missing. I don't know where that went. But seems to work. So in addition to getting this lathe, I've also got the base plate for the mainframe welding jig, which is looking really nice. So my friend Jack at work, he's helped me out really well with this. He's machined up this alley base plate, 20mm thick, so I can now get all my clamps and fittings, and because I've got the lathe I can turn up the various alley location points. So I've also been busy doing some printing. I had a couple of these tube mounts already printed, so the last week or so I've been doing these two tube mounts and then these three end. So the end mounts are all PETG. These are a mixture of PLA Plus and PETG, just what I had that was black basically. Reason for PETG for these is because they'll be closer to the welds. They're going to have alley circular location fixings on here that actually sit in the tubes, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue. But I might use a bit of foil or insulation wrapping around these just to prevent the immediate heat from affecting them. I'll show you these on the jig. So these are where the clamps are probably going to be. They're not currently fixed down, but this is just to give you an idea of how it should go. Obviously these tubes are not cut down yet, so they're way too long. There you go. Sweet. So again, I've been pretty busy with all this stuff this week. Sorry for the delay in the edit. It's not the longest edit either, so hope you enjoy a little bit of rowgate riding. Got a few clips more this time around, so have a good watch and check out the next episode, please. Like and subscribe.